In our prior lesson, we delved into the subject of correct keyboarding techniques, essential for proficient and efficient typing. In today's class, we will discuss the topic of home row keys. Uses of the home row keys. The home row, often called the heart of typing, is a central and essential component for mastering keyboarding skills. It consists of the middle row of keys on the keyboard, starting with A and ending with semicolon. These keys are your base camp for typing, and here's why they are so important. Guiding lights, the home row keys, which include A, S, D, F, J, K, L, and act as your guiding lights. Your fingers rest on these keys because they provide reference points for typing all other characters. Imagine them as your anchors in the typing adventure. Touch typing, to become a touch typist, where you can type without looking at the keyboard, your first 4 fingers, 1 to 4, should stay comfortably anchored on the home row keys from A to. This technique allows you to type accurately and quickly, boosting your productivity. Returning home, the term home row suggests that your fingers should always come back to this position after reaching out to strike keys on other rows. It's like resetting your typing journey at home base. The space bar, don't forget your right thumb, it should gently rest on the space bar. You'll use it to insert spaces between words, ensuring tidy and legible typing. 2. Division of the keyboard. Think of the keyboard as a land divided into 2 regions, the left-hand side and the right-hand side. Each region is managed by its respective team, your left fingers for the left side and your right fingers for the right side. This division makes typing more organized and efficient. Practice makes perfect. To become a confident typist, practice typing each line twice. The first time, go slow and focus on mastering the finger movements. The second time, try to pick up the pace while maintaining accuracy. Here are the home row keys for each of your 8 fingers. Left fingers. Left hand pinky, A left hand ring, S left hand middle, D left hand index, F. Right fingers. Right hand index, J right hand middle, K right hand ring, L right hand pinky. Practice diligently, master home row keys, and transform into a skilled, error-free typist, confidently transcribing without constant keyboard glances. Enjoy typing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.